baby. Hi. Look over here at Mommy. Hi. Here, good baby. There you go. That's a close up, huh? Get you sideways. Come here. I know. Just want your mommy to see you. Let her see your face. Let her see your face. Okay, I'm solid black. No white. And say I don't like this. No, I don't. No, I don't. No curl. Well, it's starting a little bit of curl. Usually the 4.5 weeks he'll have a good curl. Just is starting. Usually it's straight-tailed till then. Got a pretty good little roll starting. Okay, okay, Fuzzy. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Here we go. Here, can you play a little bit? I know it's hard to play. I know. Baby? Hi. Okay. Oh, don't get too close. There you go. Let's turn sideways and see. Whoops. I'm Charlie. I'm Charlie. You're chunky. You're chunky bump. I don't want you to fall off. Okay, let's get one more side view, okay? And then we'll go back to bed. No more side views for me? No more side views for me? Here we go. Okay. Tell your new mommy bye-bye. Bye-bye. Whoops. Mommy just keeps rolling you over. There we go. I just don't have my little legs going yet.